use AI to translate your YouTube video into 5 languages using your smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to share with you on how you can make your content viral to other language that don't understand English, or in that language you are creating your content from. And with this video, if you watch it to the end, you will be able to translate your voice when people from other countries, other continents that do not hear your language are watching your video. The video will automatically be translated to their language, to the language that they will understand. So if this is your first time seeing our video here on YouTube and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will be the first person to see it. So without wasting time, let's move on to the procedure on how you can set up the.
For your voice to be translated to other language on YouTube, this is what you're going to do. You come to content, you go to content. Inside the content, you select one video that you have already uploaded in public. So I will select from this particular one showing here. So first of all, you will copy the title and the details. So you come here, I will edit the video, then you copy the title and the title and the description. You copy that together. So this is the title at the top, the description at the bottom. So I'll copy the both together. So after you have copied it, then the next you're going to do is that you look for language at this corner here. You touch it, you go to the language. Then from the language here now, you can see that I've already uploaded this content into many languages. You can see from here: Arabic, Probrish, Bagalin, Probrish, Dutch, Probrish, English, Probrish, French, processing, German, processing. You can see many of the language that have already been published the video to. So you can see French here, processing. When you see this German, Switzerland, publish. You see Hebrew, publish. So all these language you have been seeing here. If any of my viewer come from any of this, immediately they click the video, my voice, which is the way I used to speak English here, it will automatically be translated to their language, and I will continue to speak the language that they understand from their own destination there. So you can see many of the language that I've converted it to publish. You can see them, many of them there. So for you to add your own language now, you come to this option here, you come to this corner here, you touch it, add language, you click on the add language. So you select from here now. You can select from this corner here the one you fit to add, the one you want your local language or the English language to be translated to. So I'll click on this Chinese. So I'll come to this description, then I'll paste the description of the video, then the title, I'll now put it at the top, the place of the title. Please let me do it for you to see how it look like. So you come to the title here, you paste the title. So from here now, I've inserted the title here and description here. So what you're going to do next is that you come to update. Immediately you update it, you can see from here Chinese title and description publish. So that is how you add the language, and from there, anytime you are going to upload any other video, the language will automatically be published by their self. So you don't need to. You can see from here 4 audio track have been successful process. So the voice from here now, from the English language, have been translated to different language. So that is how you process it. So you can see the Chinese here. When you look at the end, of it, you see publish. If you want to delete the language, you can just come at this corner, then you touch it, you'll see delete there if you want to delete it. So that is how you publish your content on YouTube to many language.
If this video really helped you and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.